So hiya guys, like you see, I'm fixing the oven. Broken was the old element for the oven. This one, like you see, I took it out, and I've got another one for replacing. And this is this one, which we're gonna fit in, and then oven is done. It doesn't need call for specialized people who's doing that. This thing is so simple to do, like UV on your two fingers. It's the same. UV on your fingers, or change this one is like. So we're gonna put in this one. If not gonna work, this one is some different trouble, but possibly not. Maybe it's some things with the wiring, but their electric is coming, so couples of screws what to take out. Basically, for change the element is 2 screws on this side and 5 screws opposite from inside. 7 screws altogether. Okay. All the wires is okay. Like you see, everything is fine. So, right, okie dokie, and what we have. So this one works now. So what we're gonna do now? We're just gonna take plug in. We're gonna turn oven and go. So like you see, fan is working. There's even no noise. And just wait for a couple of minutes. It's coming warm out or not. This one I bought for 15 quid. They'll sell for 50 as well. Half an hour job. Spare element from the different oven. This is 35 quid for half an hour job. Ah, gotcha! It's working! So, like you see, guys, half an hour. So I've got the four more screws to screw it for the cover. Half an hour job, £35. So basically, if you can make 2 of them for 1 hour, 70 quid an hour for your job, it's not bad. Hour rate, like, you know. And possibly, if you're asking for somebody else to do, they're gonna charge you a lot more. I think, not really sure, but if you do that, element is warms. Oh, nice, very warm. Let's put back the cover, and like I said, job done.